The next two sounds are these two vowel sounds. Oi, as in boy, and ow, as in cow. So these two vowel sounds are both two vowels squeezed together. As we've seen before, when we make these sounds, the shape of our lips and mouth changes in the middle of the sound. So the first sound, oi, oi, as in boy. Look at the shape of my mouth and notice how it changes. Oi, oi. It starts round and it finishes slightly wide. Oi, oi. Can you see that? Boy. The second vowel, on the other hand, starts like this. Ah, ah, ow. So it starts quite wide and it finishes round. Ow, ow, cow, cow. So it finishes with the lips rounded. So the first one, boy. The second one, cow. Now, let's look at the target sound practice for the first vowel. Oi, oi. Remember, oi starts rounded and finishes slightly wide on the mouth. Oi. So listen and repeat each word after me. Boy, enjoy, annoy, boiling, royal, noisy, employer, appointment, coins. Okay, very well done. That was the first vowel sound. Now the second one, ow, ow. This sounds just like when we hurt ourselves, we say ow. It's exactly the same sound, ow. For example, ow, I hurt my knee. Or ow, you banged my finger. Ow, as in cow. So notice the shape again. Ow. Starts wide and finishes rounded. Ow. Let's look at the target sound practice words for this sound. Listen and repeat each word after me. Now, south, round, town, pronounce, shout, houses, brown, mountains. Okay, fantastic. So the shape of the mouth is important with these two vowel sounds. Remember, in the next video, you can see a close-up of my mouth making the sounds. So if they are a little difficult, don't worry. Move on to the next video once you finish this and notice the shape of the mouth. Look very closely and start to mimic how I shape my mouth when I produce these sounds. Let's look at the minimal pairs. This will make the two sounds a lot clearer for you. So on the left, we have the words containing oi, and on the right, we have the words containing ow. So listen to each pair and repeat them after me. Boy, bow. Coy, cow. Lloyd, loud. Roy, row. Boils, bowels. Oil, owl. Okay, well done. Fantastic. Finally, let's look at the target sound in use. Remember, use these sentences to really start to practice the sound in use. It's good to read the word list and listen to the word list, but when you have the sound in use, it's a lot more natural. Okay, you can speak at a natural speed and you can combine it with other sounds as well. So use these sentences for practicing the target sounds. So sentence 1, we're focusing on the oi sound. Listen and repeat. The boy lost his toys and got very annoyed. Sentence 2, we're focusing on the ow sound. These brown cows make really loud sounds. Okay, and sentence 3 is a mix of the two target sounds. Roy found some old round coins while we were walking down the mountain. Okay, fantastic. Well done. As always, download the extra resources. Take your time when mastering the target sounds. Always notice the spelling, as I've said before. This is very, very important. So I'll see you in the next lecture.